Spawn has OCD. And he's cutting his hair. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Spawn! Spawn has OCD.
He's gonna cut all his hair off and he's gonna go bald.
Look at my little hair.
Your little hair.
My little, yes. I can like feel the heat radiating off of the straightener.
There. That's perfect.
Ew, look at our nasty toe. Ah! She's gonna burn me.
Oh my god, it's hot.
Straighten your hair. Do your hair big. Like Bond.
There, it's perfect.
Let's see.
It's perfect.
How do I get down? Oh, I can't get down. It's like doing the
Limbo.
limbo.
I was gonna say Macarena.
I know. What song is this?
I'm sexy.
Look at my Chemical Romance shirt. It's not really mine. It's up your nose.
Whose is it?
Your nose.
No.
Let's go look around the apartment, shall we?
Did you seriously have me wear that thing? And it's
Bet
who
not.
I thinks it is? Is that who I thinks it is? Is it?
Whose? What thing?
The shirt?
What shirt? This is Franklin's.
Oh, okay.
Franklin! Look at our colorful kitchen and our messy ass back room.
You moved out and left me.
And my gross scene here.
Stop. Put your head up. There were parts that weren't layered
Bond,
right.
come here. Let's go. Go walk back. This is a new YouTube video, so. What are you laughing about?
I don't want to talk about it.